Hello everybody, got a product review here on the K&W FiberLock. It's a block and head gasket sealer. It works pretty good. I've tried it out here on this here Chevy 1500 with a 5.7 liter in it. I had a leak on cylinder 3 where it was getting water into the cylinder, and I was getting quite a bit of air back up to the radiator. I poured a bottle of this in it after the engine was cooled down. I ran it 15 minutes like it says on the bottle, and I took and let it cool off, checked it, and coolant level was probably down maybe 2 or 3 cups of water. I filled it back up, and it's been a couple days now and the level's still good in it. I'm not getting no water into the cylinder anymore. So I would have to say this is a great product. Not many things really work for on sealing the head gaskets and that, but this I found out does work. It's like $35 a bottle all. That's the downside to it, but you get a double your money back guarantee on it if it doesn't work for you. But only thing about using block seal is if you use too much of it, you can plug up your heater cores and that, and you won't get no heat during the winter out of it. Or you can actually end up plugging your radiators up if you get too much stuff in them. A lot of people use the cheaper stuff, and they'll just keep pouring it in and pouring it in. And like I said, you'll end up with blocked heater core and all that stuff. But if you just do like one bottle of this, you would be fine. But if that doesn't fix it, and you would want to go and have your mechanic tear it down, resurface the heads, and put a new head gasket on it. But if you ain't got the money and this will work, it'd be a quick and temporary fix until you do get enough money maybe saved up to get it done the correct way. But like I said, it's a great product. K&W FiberLock. It's a head gasket and block repair. It says it's a permanent fix, so it may last you a long time. It may not, but it may get you by until at least you can save up the money to get it done the correct way. So don't forget to like my videos, comment down below, and share, and have a great day everybody. Bye.